Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Apple Watch Ultra Ocean Band. First, let's attach it. Hold your Apple Watch Ultra with the display facing you. Take the Ocean Band and slide one end into the watch lug until you hear a satisfying click. Repeat this for the other side, ensuring both ends are fully engaged. Give each side a gentle tug to confirm it's securely locked. This initial step is crucial for a reliable fit during all your adventures. Now, let's achieve the perfect fit. The Ocean Band features a large, corrosion-resistant titanium buckle and an adjustable loop system. Slide the titanium loop through the 2mm spaced holes until the band feels snug on your wrist. It should be tight enough for the watch's sensors to work accurately, but comfortable enough for extended wear. Remember, the band's inherent stretch provides flexibility, adapting to your wrist during various activities without feeling restrictive. The Ocean Band truly shines during activities. Its robust design, featuring a large titanium buckle and a spring-loaded adjustable loop, is engineered for extreme conditions. Whether you're diving, surfing, or engaging in high-impact sports, the band's secure fit minimizes movement on your wrist. The stretchable fluoroelastomer material, with its unique tubular geometry, allows for slight expansion and contraction, maintaining comfort and security even when wet or under significant physical exertion. Proper care ensures your Ocean Band lasts for years. After any water activity, especially in saltwater or chlorinated pools, rinse the band thoroughly with fresh water. You can use a mild, non-abrasive soap and a soft cloth for a deeper clean, gently wiping away any dirt or residue. Always allow the band to air dry completely before reattaching it to your Apple Watch Ultra or storing it. This simple routine helps maintain its integrity and vibrant appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.